Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets. My name's Chris Leyland. I'm Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. What I want to do today is just really give you a walkthrough on what's happened in asset prices, talk about what are the key events, key issues that we're discussing as an investment team. So if we start off with yesterday, global equities generally produced positive returns, and that was after the UK and European Union extended trade deal talks, and the US began distributing its first coronavirus vaccine shots. Equity markets continue to be driven by investor optimism about a return to some sort of economic normality next year, as well as central banks' bond buying schemes that have pushed unprecedented amounts of new money into the financial system. The uplift in market sentiment led to a sell-off in safe haven assets. So that's the dollar, government debt. So the US dollar index, which measures the currency against trading peers, fell around about 0.3%. If we look at sterling had a bit of a roller coaster yesterday, actually. So sterling rose north of 1% yesterday morning, pushing through the 134 level compared to the US dollar, and then pared back gains as investors digested news around the UK's transition from the European Union. Looking to today, on the data front, China's retail trade rose by 5% year on year in November 2020, and that's after a 4.3% gain in October, but compares to analysts' expectations of a 5.2% rise. What does that mean? So firstly, it's the fastest growth in retail trade since December last year, and that's as consumption has recovered from the COVID-19 disruption. What do we know about China? We know that China will actually show GDP growth, which is pretty incredible when you think about what we've been through for 2020. So it illustrates how they have dealt and how they've come through the pandemic. Brexit remains in the spotlight as negotiations continue, and we've seen some mildly encouraging signs. So the European Union negotiator Michel Barnier said that reaching a trade pact with Britain was still possible, and the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said there was some movement on talks. As you know, we'll keep you updated on this. And finally, just looking at the open, you can see equity markets have produced, I guess, fairly mixed returns. And what you're seeing is investors digesting the fresh coronavirus-induced restrictions across the continent. So Germany and the Netherlands are entering a new lockdown, whilst the UK government imposed on Monday tighter COVID-19 measures on London. So London is now Tier 3. As always, I hope you enjoyed listening to this today, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the True Potential YouTube channel. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, let us know in the comments.